छिड़काव डन। मैं लाया हूँ बाहर से एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड से।
ओके
और ये बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है।
ठीक है। ओके गुड सूर्या, thank you for the contribution of the manure. Yeah. Next we have Sonakshi. Yes Sonakshi, please.
मेहंदी है।
हाँ
इसको बालों में लगाते हैं, हाथों में लगाते हैं
बस।
और भी जगह पे लगाते होंगे। हाँ, इसको पीसते हैं।
ठीक है। Yes.
I brought सदाबहार and money plant.
Share your experience. How have you brought this?
We have cut
Cutting. Okay.
cut करके।
Okay, good. This is money plant cutting. Okay, good. Next we have Sakshi.
Methi seeds and tulsi.
Methi seeds.
I brought it from the shop.
Okay.
There.
हाँ.
और ये तुलसी मेरे साइड में जो उगा था उसी में।
Okay, okay. Next we have Sahasra.
Rose.
Louder Sahasra.
Rose.
Rose plant.
By
Okay.
cutting.
Okay, nice. Yes, next we have Surya. Ganesh.
I have bought soil finance stuff.
Okay.
It was hard to find.
Okay. Okay, Ganesh, good. Next, Krishna.
भैया ये मिट्टी है।
मिट्टी लायो. Yeah. Krishna and Sian together you have brought, right? हाँ, बताओ.
It is the soil which helps plants to grow nicely in the ground.
Good.
It is an agricultural soil.
Very good. So both. Okay. Next we have Joshua. Yes, Joshua.
So good morning. This is chili. Chili seeds. This produces very spicy chili.
Spicy chili. Okay, Joshua. Very good. Next, Pratiksha. बिना प्रतीक्षा के बताओ. हाँ.
इसको तोड़ने के लिए मैं सीधे नहा कर
Okay. Very good. Good. We'll plant this. Next, Umang.
Here मैं अभी money plant
हाँ.
से
Money plant cutting. Okay, Umang. Very good. Yes. Mohit.
आज मैं लाया हूँ एलोवेरा और
Soil. Okay. Good. Very good. Aloe vera or all the herbs you have brought. Okay. Good one. Next.
भैया मैं ये खुरपी लाया हूँ और
Biofilm.
एंड कटर है
हाँ.
एंड ये मिट्टी में जो करने के लिए
Okay. Nice. Gardening tools. Yeah, and spray. Pesticide spray. Very good. Samrat. Yes. Now we have Deepansh. Yes, Deepansh. Huh? Biofilm. Yes. Okay. And betel leaf. Yeah. So you have also brought all the medicinal herbs. Very good, all of you.